Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you from June 10 to June 20th. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And for extra readings, you can follow me on Instagram also. The link of that is also given in the description box below. So Aries, let's see. This card wants to come out. I'll take it. So, okay, wow, what a beautiful card to start with, Aries. Oh my God. What are you up to, Aries? Beautiful energy is coming up. Let's see how the reading proceeds. Okay, let me see what are the messages from this deck. Okay, guidance from the angels. Message from the universe for Aries. Okay, Aries. So, what I see here is that you are really very happy with some new beginning. There has been a new beginning. Maybe it's already started. There is something which is very, very emotionally fulfilling to you, and it just makes you feel at the top of the world. You are really very, very happy over a new beginning. That's for sure. It's emotionally fulfilling to you. It is giving you that vitality, that sort of a rebirth type, and the like as if your new life has started. Okay, it has that vibe and that energy to it. It is something like that. And what I feel here is that you are able to, either you have reconciled with somebody or you are about to reconcile with somebody, but yes, there is some sort of reconciliation over here. Okay, or maybe you have rebuilt something from the past, something which you always wanted to create, something which uh, like it was something. Okay, I had such a thing 5 years ago, 10 years ago, or 2 years ago, and I want it back, and I just want old times to come back, something like that. Okay, something which you were it was a happy memory of yours. It can be that, and you always wished it to come again in life. Something of that sort has come in. So basically, either it can be as simple as maybe you had a tough phase in your life in between, and now it is just coming back of the happy times. It can be that also, that you are experiencing those happy times again. It can be that. It can be that you are actually reconnecting with somebody, or some sort of reconciliation with a significant other. It can be that. But so you are very, very happy with this beginning. Basically, it is just a new life to you. Basically, that is the feeling which is coming up, that you are feeling very happy with this new beginning of a new life. It's a new chapter. You're feeling, okay, now I'll start new, and very elated, very that high, very innocent, that playfulness, that childlike innocence, everything is there, that purity, that peacefulness, everything is there. It's a beautiful beginning. But there is a something in between. See, what I feel here is that maybe since it is a reconciliation, the gap in between this reconciliation, or the time which you have spent in between this new beginning and whenever it was in the past. Okay, since I'm saying it is something from the past which has been recreated, either the happy memories in the past, and there has been a time which you have spent which was not that happy. Okay, if it was a person whom you have reunited with, then maybe there was definitely a time when you were really not happy without this person. So I think it's talking about that time, that sometimes you are trying to balance the situation now. So since it is a new beginning, you have that heartache, you have that painful memory of the past, and you are trying to balance the situation so that it doesn't get repeated. That's what I'm getting. You are very careful because you've been hurt very badly. The time which you've spent in between those happy memories, or while you were away from this person with whom you reunited, that time was a very very painful time for you. Okay, you were totally devastated, shattered, and you really don't want it back. Okay, so you're working hard on it, and you're trying to balance the situation slowly and slowly, so that so that it doesn't go back to the previous thing. Okay, you don't want to spoil it, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, and you are really working hard on that aspect, as to balance the situation in a beautiful way. That's what you are trying to do, because you don't want this to repeat, and you are able to do it. With the Chariot, things are moving ahead in a beautiful manner. Things are really moving ahead. You are totally uh, uh, in a position to take the right decision and act on it also. Okay, so it is talking about the balance and action to move ahead in whatever the situation is. So if it was something, if it was not a relationship, it was just an opportunity, or something like that for some of you, then now this time you don't want to commit the same mistake again, because now you are happy again. So it can be like, suppose it's not, suppose if somebody had lost a job, for example. Okay, and you are, it's not that you are always getting the same job, but like now you have a new job also, but you definitely won't like to commit those mistakes and those things once again, to because you have suffered that problem, or suffered that heartache when you were without whatever this means for you. Okay, so whatever this is for you, which you have earned back, you don't want to recreate it. You are balancing the situation wisely. You are building up your ground very wisely, slowly and steadily. Okay, you are being very wise, weighing all the pros and cons, moving in slow and steady in the correct direction. Definitely it is a partnership also for some of you. It can be a romantic, since it is a Lovers card, so it is definitely a balanced relationship this time. It can be an, it can be an official partnership also, it can be a friendship also, it can be anything. But whatever it is, in romantic, non-romantic, it doesn't matter, but definitely this time it is a balanced partnership. So definitely we are talking here about some sort of a happy memory, probably a reconciliation with somebody, and this time you are able to make it. Okay, and here we have, the reading is ending here with the Ace of Swords. So definitely it is the clarity which you have achieved, and it is maybe it is some great communication which is coming in. It is a clarity, communication, which gives you the clarity as to how you are supposed to make it this time, and how you are supposed to move ahead this time. So it's a beautiful reading, starting with the Ace of Cups here and ending with the Ace of Swords, and we have the Sun. It's a beautiful reading, Aries, for you. And over here we have the Four of Hearts. So definitely there is fear. You have learned from the past mistakes, and you have that fear of not committing those mistakes again, and it is a very wise thing to do. Okay, so I think you are trying to balance the situation and moving ahead, and you are able to do that beautifully. Three of Action. Things are working out beautifully now that your ship has come in. It is the time to decide what your next project will be. Okay, that's what I said. You are ready to take an action in a very wise way, balanced way. So now your ships have come in because you have started a new bit. There is a new beginning. You have started a new. So it is a right. You just have to decide what your next project should be. You may choose to continue to build upon the success or move to something entirely different. Be willing to travel if necessary. That's what I said. That it's not that you have gone back to the same job or the same person, but whatever it, though it is there for some of you, it's a reconciliation also, but it is regaining of the happy times. Basically, it's all about regaining of the, or coming back of the happy times, and that's what you are doing. So it can be new, it can, for some of you, and for some of you it can be going back to the same person or the same project, whatever it was important. But anyway, whatever it is, it's a very good beginning for you. Number 22 or number 4 may be of some significance for you. Heart of the matter. There is more going on than meets the eye. So basically, this is something which is the message from the universe, that this is what you need to realize, that whatever the situation is, there are many things which keep on happening in the background which we are not even able to see. And I think you have realized that, because that is what you are doing. You are balancing the situation because you have experienced that pain. You know that there are so many things which by chance, if they are ignored or such mistakes happen, and you tend to lose the things, you tend to lose the grip on the relations, and you tend to lose the grip on even on a job or whatever important it is for you. So you are regaining everything. It's a new beginning, it's a happy beginning, Aries. And it's just happiness. I think it's a very good reading for you, Aries. I just hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.